YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today's video, I really am excited. I brought a bunch of miscellaneous stuff from Dollar Tree, but I have some primary items that I just wanted to show you because that's what really made this video. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is these lashes, honey. These lashes. You know your girl is obsessed with lashes. I always buy lashes. When I went to the dollar store a couple of days ago, okay, probably a week or so ago, I saw these lashes. Now, Dollar Tree always have lashes, but most of the time they're kind of ugly. No shade, but I'm just some of them are kind of ugly. But, honey, when I saw these, I was like, y'all must have been watching my video because you know your girl loves lashes. And you had the gorgeous faux, like I said, faux mink. Because, honey, we're not wearing mink lashes. We're not wearing real mink lashes. I feel like that is so wrong. But these lashes are so gorgeous, okay? So gorgeous. I have them on right now, but you probably want to see out the pack, which is perfectly fine. I will do that for you. So, look. Maybe I need to take it off the plastic. Okay. Are you able to see? I don't know if the light will be messing you up, but look at how gorgeous these are. And as you know, everything's $1 at the Dollar Tree. So, honey, you know I had to get a couple. I didn't want to be greedy and, buy all of them out. Because I would do that, but I didn't want to do it. I was like, I ain't gonna do it. But, yeah, absolutely love them. Gorgeous. They're 10 out of 10, honey. So I did also buy a nail filer, which I didn't even know they sold this, but I don't even know if it worked or not. I just bought a regular nail filer. But Vagisil also has another bath bomb, and this one says Peach Blossoms. Now let me say this. This says V-friendly bath bomb, so you know Vagisil is a JJ wash. Cause I don't know if I can say the other word. I'm not trying to get in trouble. So Vagisil is a JJ wash, right? This is so scented. To say that this says sensitive scent and it's peach blossom is for it's a bath bomb, and it's supposed to be okay for you to use it for your lower lady parts. But girl, it's so scented, and I thought I was tripping. But literally, this box, I had a bag full because I also brought some from my mom. My whole kitchen was smelling like this particular scent. And I don't know, if you're somebody who does not like heavy scented stuff, then I don't recommend it to you. But if you're okay with heavily scented stuff, girl, this is extremely scented. Like, it's giving me a headache scented. Like, it smells good, but it's overly scented. And I wouldn't expect something that is supposed to go down there. I mean, you don't put this down there, okay? It just goes in your bath water, okay? But I wouldn't expect something from Vagisil to be that heavily scented. So, I'm telling you, it smells good, but it's really, really strong. Okay, next. Now, the main thing I wanted to talk about in this video was that I went there, and I was just browsing, but I noticed they had some new kitchen decor. And I'm a coffee girl. I love coffee. I have a coffee pitcher hanging up in my kitchen. And what did I see? Lo and behold, coffee themed decor. Now, I'm going to show you it one by one, but I'm also going to show you how I have it set up in my kitchen so that it'd be a better, you get a better idea. Look how cute this is. Girl, this is just a regular, the little small towel. Look how freaking cute. I don't know about y'all, but I love this theme. I don't know, it's so cute to me. So I have it in a small one. Then I don't even know the official names of these all, but this is the bigger towel. Okay, so I have it hanging on my cabinet, my drawer knobs. Look how cute this is. So freaking cute, right? Girl, that ain't even it. That ain't it. And remind you, all this $1. $1, girl. $1. So here is also the mitten. If it got food in there, whatever, disregard it because I haven't used this. But look how freaking cute. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. I just love, and the crazy part is I'm trying not to drink as much coffee because I like a lot of creamer. And it's a lot of calories to say you be trying to lose weight. But girl, look at this. Look, okay? That ain't even it. That ain't it. That ain't it. You thought? No, okay. They also had the stove top covers. Now, I don't know if people still use this. I remember my grandma had some because I remember burning it on the stove. I don't know if people still use it, but honey, I sure do because I do not like, I have an electric stove. I do not like the stove thing. It's so ugly to me. I do not like the way it looks, okay? This was perfect. It's upside down. Perfect. Okay, you get a pack of two. So 2 is in each pack. So you gotta buy 2 packs. Girl, this is so cute. For a freaking $1. I mean, I'll say it again. Because I don't think you heard me correctly. I said for a freaking $1. $1. Girl, if you just moved into your new apartment and you don't have the funds to be doing stuff like that, girl, you better go take your bald heads up to Dollar Tree and go get you some. Don't get coffee decor because then I may need to re-up, and if you done brought it all out. But I'm just joking. Go get you some coffee decor. It's cute. It's cute. $1, girl. Why the freak not? Okay, so I just want to do a quick clip of how I use the decor in my house. So I just put the tower here. Actually, this is the little one. I don't know what to do with it because it's so oddly shaped. But I put that there. I usually have the big one there, but since I got the little ones recently, okay, I'm just let that be like that. And have that one like that. Excuse me, I'm a little congested because it's nighttime and I cannot breathe ever. And this is where I put the coffee mittens. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite part of the kitchen. Like, I freaking love it. I'm so glad I went there that day and did see this, you guys. I'm telling you, you should go get it. Okay? Okay. Other than that, I just got a bunch of little miscellaneous things that was actually just me re-upping on stuff that I already had. Like these bath crystals. I already had them, but okay, you might not see it because of, okay. I already had them, but I brought them again because I really, really like it. It's not heavenly scented like this freaking Vagisil wash is, but it smells amazing. And it also has dry flower pieces up in there. So I was like, okay, I for sure have to get more because once you find something that you really like, girl, stock up on it because when you go back, it be gone. Okay, and I just got a regular little eye mask, and some Himalayan salt. That's it. I just really wanted to talk about these lashes and the kitchen decor. That's really it. So that's basically it for this video. Oh, and I did get this little blade thing. That's usually $1 anywhere, or 78 cents, something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to come talk about that because like this would be cute in somebody else's kitchen because I know I love it in my kitchen. Okay, I do. And if you want to know where I got this hair from, honey, where I'm serving these looks from, honey, I have a video up on his hair as well. So you go ahead on and check it out because you know your girl got her wig from Julia. And plus I paid my own money for it. I don't get sponsored. I ain't popping like that, okay? So it's a real review and I absolutely love this wig, okay? Okay, so that is it for this video. I love you all and I will see you all in my next video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.